Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription, and I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35 to save 35%. Now, I'm going to put a link for the subscription box and also the coupon code down there below in the description bar so you can get yourself this box. So let's go ahead and open this up. It looks like it's going to be a really awesome color selection here. As you can see, I love that they have a picture here of what's going to be in the box, but I have found that there are some things that we get in the box that I don't see in the picture. So here is the list. I'm going to be going over the list with you guys, and also we usually get a bag that has findings in it right here. Okay, so let's open this up. Oh my gosh, look at all those filigrees. That's a lot. Okay. Wow, those are so huge. This is awesome. Okay, so I'm going to get this out of the way first. We have some organza bags. I should look at the box. Okay, I folded the box back so I can see it. We have some organza bags here, red and pink. That's awesome, because if you make jewelry with this, you want to give it to somebody. It's a good way to gift it. You have absolutely everything you need here. We have gold findings this month, so far every time I've gotten this, it's silver. Wow, those are so cool. Okay, I'm going to straighten everything out, and then I'm going to, oh, there's two of those. I'm going to go to the list. That's what I'm trying to do. No way, that's a lot of tubes. I love these pearls. These might be my most favorite, or those. It might be between those and those in the box. Wow, these are really cool too. Okay, let's see. First thing on the list is 12mm red silver leaf style glass bead, 8-inch strand. Red silver leaf style. I believe it's this one. That's really neat. Look at that. So this bead is painted. You can only get this effect with a painted bead. It's kind of like glass pearls. And that is really neat. It's very artsy. It looks like an artist made that. That's really cool. I like that. Okay, next thing is 12mm cherry quartz duo style glass bead, 8-inch strand. Cherry quartz. Is that this? It's the same size, 12. I want to say it's this. Yeah, because this is 12. So this crackle bead here is so pretty. I'm going to be filming a tutorial today using this exact color, but in the 6mm size that I got in last month's box. It's really pretty. So these have large holes that I was able to use the 6mm to use them in macrame. So I really like those. Pretty. Last month's box, I just did a tutorial, I uploaded it this morning, of this bracelet here using beads from last month's box. This is the 4mm dyed howlite, and I also used the purple beads. Where'd it go? Right here. I used these electroplated beads that I got last month. This one's my favorite. I really love this one. So cute. Okay, so next thing is 10mm hot pink / red spot marble style glass bead. I think it says hot pink / red. I think it's this one. It's both pink and red. This one is really bizarre. I wonder how they do that effect on the bead. It's really neat looking. Look at that. Almost looks like it's an egg or something. Like a fish egg. Okay, next thing is 10mm cornelian duo style glass bead. 8-inch. Is that going to be this? Deep orange. Carnelian style. I would say it's this one. It kind of looks like cornelian. So again, this is a crackled bead. But look at how they marbled the veins. Last month I got, I think it was something like this in gray, but it had like a burgundy dark red marble in it, and it was pretty cool looking. Okay, next thing is 10mm deep orange gold leaf style glass bead. This one? This is gold leaf. 10mm. Yeah, I think it's this one. So see, there's gold paint right there. It's very pretty. This one has silver. I think they're both really neat though. Look at that. Pretty. Alright, so the next size is 10mm pink faceted glass bead. This is rosaline pink. And check fire polish bead. This color here is called rosaline. It's a peachy pink. It is so gorgeous. I love that one. And then 8mm, that would be this. Bronze rustic glass pearl. 16-inch strand. These pearls are so epic. I want to have these in every color. It's like the most bizarre, prettiest glass pearl I've ever seen. Look at the bubble on that. It's like bubbly looking. It's so beautiful. And this is like the most prettiest orange I have ever seen. I love that. It's gorgeous. It looks really good with this, and I wouldn't think about putting these two together, but look at these two. See that? And can you imagine turquoise in there? Because I am a turquoise freak. Like that. Gorgeous. Okay, so is this the last strand? 6mm orange faceted brown glass beads. This is 12 inches. This is nice to have. I don't have a lot of orange in my stash, so I'm loving this box. It's very pretty. And I love this whole box. All the colors are really nice. And I also love the name, Sizzlin Summer. So let's see. What's after the 6mm? I'm looking for a 25 by 2.5 gold brass curved tube. Approximate 30. Wow. That's a lot. I can't remember. Didn't I get some big tubes? I think they were bigger than these last month, and they were silver. These are cool. Look at that. There's a lot here. These would be great for a memory wire bracelet because they have memory wire. Okay. After the tubes is 10mm gold filigree bead cap, approximate 50. These? Yeah, there's a ton in here. I did not expect to get this many tubes or even bead caps. Really pretty. And these would look so good with these beads. Do you realize that? Let me see. I got a crimp tube on there. But like, that would be really pretty together. This one too. Yes. And I think that these ones are too small. So it would be for the larger ones. So probably for these sizes here, I would use those filigree bead caps. I wonder about that big one though, that really big bead. Alright, so I just did that. Is this going to be the last? I did filigree, yep, and then 10mm peach druzy style with line bead, approximate 15. These are huge. That's really neat looking. I've never had these before. This does look like my Druzy beads. I have the one that is like rainbow iris. Those are so cool. Look at that. It is really big. These look like they would be very expensive. And remember, you can go back onto their site and get these beads for $1 each. So I don't think you can get something like this at Michael's for $1. Not even on clearance. Those are awesome. Alright, the last thing is the organza bags, but I did those first because they were so big I wanted to be able to do the beads. But let's go to this here that has the findings. So this is the first time we've had gold. We have memory wire, which is really great to use with these tubes right here. I wonder if we have to bend these at all though to get them to go on there. I've never tried them with memory wire. Let's see, what else? Oh, and I love their stretch cord. Last month, I never got to show this, I made this bracelet with the pink quartz strand that I got. And I had one of these acrylic beads in my stash, and I used that as the centerpiece. And they have really good quality elastic cord. It's really strong. It's great stuff. And I would like to see if I can go to the website and see if they sell just elastic and how big of a spool. But there's the elastic, and there is, I'm going to dump this out. There's head pins, earring findings, crimp beads, lobster claw clasp, jump rings, and I like their jump rings, they're chunky, and bead string wire. So it's enough to make several pieces of jewelry. This is a really awesome subscription, especially for beginners. If you're just starting out and you don't have all these findings here, this is a really good box to have. Alright, so this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this box opening. Some beautiful beads here. I love the sizzling summer theme. It's really pretty. Wow, look at these together. The pearl with the druzy. Those are epic. So this is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this box, and like I said, I will leave a link for the subscription box down there below in the description bar, and I also have a coupon code. Please like this video, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and check me out my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.